Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is an Indesit IWB71251 washing machine. This advice will be the same for loads of washing machines, Indesit, Hotpoint, and then really all of them, Bosch, etc. Down the bottom somewhere there'll be a fascia. Get a screwdriver or a butter knife or something like that. Pop it like that. And just wiggle it out, or should just come, but this one's being a bit difficult. There we go. It's got clips top and bottom. This is a thing called the filter or the pump. If your machine's full of water or that, stuck in a cycle, opening this should, it's a bit grim. Opening this should sort you out. This machine stopped in the middle of a cycle. The lady told me, look at that. The lady told me that it had a problem, and looking at that, it had a failed spider. The machine, the drum won't turn. This is full of water. This is how you check the filter. If you're indoors, of course, this is all going to come out on your floor. If you're outdoors like me, you can just let it flow out. These things, these crusts, they look like calcium or something like that. Crusts of calcium. They're like little stones. They come from the spider, the aluminium in the spider. They're like an aluminium rust, something like that. The pump is probably fine in this case, but those guys indicate the spider has failed. Now, if your machine was just full of water and you wanted to clear the pump, that's how you do it. And then you'd get it back together, you'd pop those clips in like that. In the case of this machine, it's failed. That won't turn at all because it's all collapsed inside. You could chop it up, make a fire pit out of it, strip it for parts, but fixing it is probably out of the question. I'm going to take the motor out of it and salvage that. That's how you clean the filter. Questions or comments, leave them below. Become a member, like, subscribe, whatnot. Thanks for watching. See you later.